Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we will be learning how to change text color in Adobe Express using your iPhone. To change the color of your text in Adobe Express using iPhone is a straightforward process. First of all, open up the Adobe Express app from your app drawer. Open up a new project or open up an existing one by going to your stuff at the bottom and selecting a project. Once you select a project, it'll take you to your editing screen. Go ahead and tap on the blue button with a plus in it at the bottom left corner and tap on text. You will then be able to see the text field where you can go ahead and add in your text. After adding in your text, select your text style by using the options provided at the bottom, and to change the color of your text, tap on the little color dot right next to the TT icon on the bottom right. This will now take you to your colors tab, from where you can go ahead and select a color from the palette. Also, you can use the color picker to create a custom color. Go ahead and tap on the little color drop icon and from your image, pick up a color. Once you have your desired color, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right and you will be able to see the color change. Go ahead and repeat the process if you want to change into a different color until you find the best one. After you are done picking up a color of your preference, click on the tick mark and then preview your video. Finally, after you're happy with the result, export your video like you normally would, and that is how you can easily change text color in Adobe Express. If you found the video to be helpful, make sure you give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.